Are you tired of staring at that dreaded check engine light? Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics, welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. Today, we're putting two popular OBD2 scanners head-to-head, Ancel AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner Car Engine Fault Code Reader and Innova 3020 RS Fast and Easy-to-Use Check Engine Code Reader OBD2 Scan Tool for ABS Clear. We'll break down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your toolbox. So let's get started about the Ancel AD310 Automotive OBD2 Scanner. If you're a gearhead like us, you know the importance of having a reliable OBD2 scanner in your toolbox. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the AD310, its features, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for every car owner. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive adventure. I can provide a brief overview of the Ancel AD310 OBD2 scanner based on information available. The Ancel AD310 is a budget-friendly OBD2 scanner designed for basic diagnostic purposes on vehicles. Some key features and points to consider include: compatibility. It is compatible with most OBD2 compliant vehicles sold in the United States since 1996 and some international models. It supports several protocols, including CAN, J1850PWM, J1850VPU, ISO 9141, and KWP2000. Read and clear codes. The AD310 can read and clear trouble codes related to the engine and emission systems. It helps you identify issues that trigger the check engine light. Display. It typically features a simple, easy-to-read LCD screen that displays diagnostic trouble codes DTCs and their descriptions. User-friendly. The device is known for its user-friendly interface, making it suitable for beginners and DIY car enthusiasts. Live data. It can also display live data from various sensors and components in your vehicle, which can be helpful for diagnosing intermittent issues. Multilingual support. Some models may support multiple languages for user convenient button. Updatability. Check if the device can be updated with the latest software and database of trouble codes. Compact and portable. The AD310 is typically compact and easy to carry around, making it convenient for on-the-go diagnostics. DTC definitions. It provides plain language descriptions for the DTCs it retrieves, helping users understand the nature of the problem detected. Now, let's talk about how to use the Ancel AD310. Plug and play. First, locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the AD310 into the port, and it will power on automatically. Key operation. 1. Turn the ignition on without starting the car. 2. Start the car. Keyless operation. 1. Press start button. Press again. Do not press brake pedal. Insert tool and read. 2. Press brake pedal and start button. Please keep in mind that the features and capabilities of specific models may vary slightly, and it's essential to refer to the user manual or the manufacturer's website for the most up-to-date information and reviews on the particular version of the Ancel AD310 you are interested in. Additionally, user reviews and experiences can provide valuable insights into the device's performance and reliability. Overall, based on our review, we highly recommend the Ancel AD310 to anyone seeking a reliable and feature-packed automotive diagnostic scanner. It's an investment that can save you time, money, and headaches by enabling you to accurately diagnose and resolve issues with your vehicle. So, if you're serious about taking control of your car's health and saving money on repairs, consider getting the Ancel AD310. We've provided a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself.
The Innova 3020, your ultimate car diagnostic tool. This 6-minute review will explore why the Innova 3020 is a must-have for every car owner. So, let's get started. The Innova 3020 is a powerful yet user-friendly diagnostic tool that allows you to troubleshoot and diagnose problems in your car with ease. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a beginner, this tool will become your best friend when it comes to vehicle diagnostics. One of the standout features of the Innova 3020 is its compact size. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, making it incredibly portable and convenient to carry around. So, whether you're working on your own vehicle or helping a friend, you can take it anywhere. Now, let's talk about the intuitive interface of the Innova 3020. The device features a color-coded LED display, which makes it extremely easy to read and understand diagnostic information. The different colors represent various statuses, such as green for OK, yellow for potential issues, and red for critical problems. Using the Innova 3020 is as simple as plug and play. Just locate your vehicle's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard, and connect the device. The Innova 3020 will then communicate with your car's computer system and retrieve valuable information about its performance. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Innova 3020, its extensive code library. This device can read and clear trouble codes from your vehicle's computer, providing you with detailed descriptions of the issues detected. It covers a wide range of diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, including engine, transmission, ABS, and more. With this information, you'll be able to pinpoint the exact problem and take appropriate action. Another fantastic feature of the Innova 3020 is its freeze-frame data capability. This tool captures and displays a snapshot of your car's performance at the moment when a fault occurs. This freeze-frame data is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent issues and helps you understand the context of. The Innova 3020 takes it a step further with its live data functionality. It allows you to monitor real-time data streams from various sensors in your vehicle. You can track parameters like engine RPM, coolant, temperature, oxygen sensor readings, and much more. This real-time data can be a game-changer when diagnosing complex problems or conducting performance optimizations. What sets the Innova 3020 apart from other diagnostic tools is the Innova Repair Solutions app. With this app, you can pair your smartphone or tablet with the device via Bluetooth. The app provides you with enhanced features like access to additional repair information, maintenance schedules, and even the ability to generate a comprehensive report to share with your mechanic. To sum it up, the Innova 3020 is a compact, user-friendly diagnostic tool that offers a wide range of features to help you troubleshoot and diagnose issues in your car. Its compact size makes it portable and convenient to use anywhere. The color-coded LED display ensures easy reading and understanding of diagnostic information. Let's dive into a real-life scenario to see how the Innova 3020 can help. Imagine you're experiencing an engine misfire. With the Innova 3020, you can connect it to your car, retrieve the trouble code, and access the detailed description of the issue. By analyzing the freeze-frame data, you can identify patterns and potential causes for the misfire. Additionally, the live data functionality allows you to monitor critical parameters in real time, such as spark timing and fuel mixture, to further pinpoint the problem. Don't just take our word for it. Many satisfied customers have praised the Innova 3020 for its ease of use, reliability, and accuracy. They've shared their success stories in diagnosing and fixing various car problems, from simple maintenance tasks to more complex repairs. The Innova 3020 has proven to be a valuable tool in their DIY mechanic toolkit. So, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast looking to gain more insight into your vehicle's performance, the Innova 3020 is the ultimate car diagnostic tool for you. Its compact size, intuitive interface, extensive code library, freeze-frame data, live data functionality, and the convenience of the Innova Repair Solutions app make it a must-have gadget. And that's it for today's review of the Innova 3020. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car-related content. Have you used the Innova 3020 or any other diagnostic tool? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, the Innova 3020 proves to be an exceptional car diagnostic tool that caters to both experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact size and user-friendly interface make it convenient to use, whether you're working in your own garage or assisting a friend on the road.
Ultimately, the best scanner depends on your needs. If you're a casual mechanic who just needs to read basic codes, the Ancel AD310 is a good option. If you crave a more feature-rich experience with potentially faster performance, the Innova 3020 is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.